So now I have considered concave mirror and convex mirror separately. So I have drawn a concave mirror, marked principal axis and pole. I have drawn a convex mirror and marked principal axis and pole. Remember, in case of spherical mirror, according to Cartesian sign convention, pole is taken as a reference point. So any distance, if measured, it is always measured with respect to pole. And I have considered an object AB placed perpendicular to principal axis. Remember, object is always kept perpendicular to principal axis. So using the concept of Cartesian sign convention, the distance which we want to measure are focal length f, object distance u, image distance v, and remember, these three distances are horizontal. That means if it lies to the right hand side of pole, then it is taken as positive. If it is lies to the left hand side of pole, then it is taken as negative. So focal length f, object distance u, image distance v, these are the horizontal distances, that means measured on the principal axis. And if I talk about height of object, it is taken as h naught. Height of image, it is taken as hi. These two distances are vertical distance. That means it is measured above the principal axis or below the principal axis, and we know according to sign convention the distance measured above principal axis is positive and below principal axis is negative. And the incident ray should always be traveling from left to right. So this is the direction of incident rays. So if I talk about, as I have already considered an object AB which is kept perpendicular to principal axis, so let's calculate first of all height of object. So height of object, as I said, it is a vertical distance. Okay, so this is marked as h naught and it is also marked as h naught, and this distance as lies above the principal axis, so height of object will always be positive. So even in our ray diagram, if you remember, any object we draw, it is always above the principal axis, right? So remember, height of object will always be positive. So this is the height of object h naught, this is height of object h naught. Since it is above principal axis, so taken as positive. If I measure the distance of object from the mirror, that is from the pole, it is the image distance. So here this distance will be taken as u, and here also this distance will be taken as u. But as I said, if the distance which is horizontal lies to the left hand side of pole, then it is taken as negative. So here image distance, object distance u is negative, and here also object distance u is negative. So what we studied, that object distance will always be negative whether for concave mirror or for convex mirror, because object is always kept to the left hand side of pole. This is very important. Any object is, if considered, it should be perpendicular to principal axis and should always be placed on the left hand side of pole. So remember, object distance will always be negative. If I talk about principal focus of concave mirror, it lies somewhere over here. That means it lies on the left hand side of pole. And for convex mirror, the principal focus lies on the right hand side of pole. And by definition, the distance between the pole and the principal focus is called as focal length. So here this distance, horizontal distance, will be marked as focal length f. Now in case of concave mirror, the focal length lies to the left hand side of pole, so it is taken as negative, and here it lies to the right hand side, so it is taken as positive. Very important. So for concave mirror, focal length, if I say for concave mirror, focal length is taken as negative, and for convex mirror, focal length is taken as positive. The reason is simple, because this distance lies to the left hand side of pole in case of concave mirror, so f is negative, and focal length lies to the right hand side of pole in case of convex mirror, and hence taken as positive. So we studied about height of object HO, which is always positive because it is above the principal axis. We studied focal length for concave as well as convex mirror, and we studied object distance, which is always negative. Now let's talk about the image. Now the image formed by spherical mirror can be real or virtual, and from the ray diagram we studied that real image is always formed in front of the mirror and always inverted. whereas virtual image is found behind the mirror and always erect. So I will draw one of the real image. Say this is the real image A dash, B dash, and this is the virtual image again A dash and B dash. And in case of convex mirror, only real image is formed. We know the concept. So this is the virtual image A dash and B dash, right? So if I talk about the image distance, so the distance of image from the pole is taken as V. Now if I mark this as V, you can clearly see that this V lies on the left hand side of pole and it is horizontal, so taken as negative. And if I measure this distance, image distance V, it lies on the right hand side of pole and hence taken as positive. That means if the image is real, okay, the image distance will be negative, and because it is formed in front of the mirror, and if the image is virtual, it is taken as positive. So for real image and for virtual image, if I talk about V for real image, it is taken as negative because it is formed in front, and for virtual it is positive because it is formed behind. So in case of convex mirror, image is always virtual, so this distance is always measured as V, which will be positive. So for virtual image V will be positive, for real image V will be negative. Now let's calculate the height of image. Now height of image is a vertical distance, so above principal axis negative, a positive, below principal axis negative. So this image we can say is real and inverted, formed below the principal axis. So this height HI is taken as negative and it is formed above the principal axis, which is virtual. So height of image will be taken as positive. So remember, in case of real image, if I talk about height of image, so it will always be negative, and if I talk about virtual image, it will always be positive. You can see here this is a virtual image, so this height is taken as positive because it is above the principal axis. So we have studied the sign convention for the 5 parameters. So remember, focal length, negative for concave mirror, positive for convex mirror. Object distance will always be negative. Image distance, if it is real image, then it will be negative. For virtual it will be positive. If I talk about height of object, will always be positive because it is always above the principal axis. But if I talk about real image, it will be inverted below the principal axis, so taken as negative. If the image is virtual, erect, above the principal, it is taken as positive. Remember, the sign convention of this 5 parameter will help us to calculate the numericals in very simple steps.